华文老师 the one channel for tips, tricks, and insights to prepare for your Chinese exams. Today we are going to unpack our National Day pack, 国庆礼包. I've just collected this from the RC Residential Committee 居委会. Today I thought I can use some of the items inside to teach us Chinese vocabularies. So let's maybe take a look at the design. HDB flag design, 政府主屋, and with a lot of flags hanging outside the flat. Thought it doesn't quite resemble the HDB flag that we stay in the new town because our HDB has not had a common corridor, 走廊. It brings back some childhood memories because I used to run along these corridors and we would know every single neighbor that is staying in the different units. As kids, we play together in each other's home, so this is a bit nostalgic for me. There is Velcro, so you won't be worried that your things will slip out. Let's take a look at what's inside. Shift a little here. Whoa! As usual, the National Day flag. And this is the paper that we will have for every National Day test. In the days when I was still a student, you will see a lot of students carrying their National Day pack out. This is a very exciting thing for kids like me. Primary 1 to 3, the only times where I get to change my school bag is when National Day comes and I get a new National Day pack. But in primary 2, we had one that is transparent, so you basically can see all the things that you put inside your little bag. In primary 3, it was a drawstring design, so it's the design is always something that we look forward to. Oh, 4 packs of reusable mask, 口罩, up to 30 washes. So this is something very practical, 实用. Right, we also have a surgical mask. So thermometer, 温度计. Next we have sanitizer.
消毒洗手液.
I think so far what we have seen are all the very COVID related items. Have a tea here and it's pretty cute. You have this illustrative design here and it's actually a special edition, 特别版. So yeah, you have drinks, 饮料, 饼干. We also have this Together Singapore magnet. 磁铁. Together a Stronger Singapore, NDP. I think it's an iron-on patch. 烫贴. If you want to get some patches from Taobao, they have really cute ones at very cheap prices. You have to type in this word, 烫贴, iron-on patches. I also have this other tattoo stickers, 纹身贴纸. Can put it on our face, our skin, our arms. Okay, so this gives some brief explanation about the goodie pack and emerge stronger. This is a drawing by one of the students from Anderson Primary School. A card for us to write our reflection and then we can post it on social media. Okay, this is quite interesting. It really integrated some form of interaction, 互动 on social media, 社交媒体. Inside the bag, there is a QR code. Maybe if you want to scan it now. And a little pouch here. Evolutions that I see in this year's pack that is quite different from previous years. In the past, usually it's one design and that's all. That is all. But I realized since SG50, there is this idea and concept and design to cater to diversity. 多元化. Because we are in a diverse society. You will see that there is a selection, there is a choice, many different designs. For this year, I find that the items inside are very practical, 实用, and extremely environmental friendly. 环保. Unlike in the past where we have a lot of items inside where we use for only on the day itself to create some form of atmosphere. I feel that this year's pack really reflect the mood because we are dealing with COVID-19, 新冠病毒. A lot of items really resonate with us. As Singaporeans, we can build our sense of belonging, 归属感. We can build a sense of community bonding, 社区凝聚力. We can feel proud of ourselves as Singaporean, and also we want to wish the whole world 国泰民安. If you find all these tips and tricks useful, do subscribe to my channel, like and share so that you can watch more useful videos for Chinese learning. Catch my 2 other videos